Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. In this one I'm going to show you how I play Joy to the World on alto saxophone. We will make practical use of the C major scale in order to play this song. It'll sound something like this. We started the song by playing the C major scale ascending. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. We'll start from G and work our way back up. We'll then go to C and work our way back down the scale. Again. Then we'll go to E and repeat it. F, working our way down. Then we'll follow with this. With that one, we went from E down to low C and back up to middle C. We'll finish starting with A and working our way down. Here's the entire thing again. Well, my friends, that's how I play Joy to the World on alto saxophone. Thanks a lot for stopping by, and have a great day.